example here to find Laplace transformation of the unit step function t plus 1 times with t plus 1 to the power of 2. So if you can see here, you have two functions where the first function is the unit step function, okay, and the second function you have t plus 1 to the power of 2. Whenever we have the combination of two functions where one of them is unit step function, we will use the second shift theorem, and we need to remember that whatever comes with the ut plus 1 here is actually the ft plus 1. Okay, therefore let's move to step number 1. When step number 1, we need to find what is our value of a, and it can be see from here where our value of a is equal to positive 1. So a is equal to positive 1. Okay, next step is step number 2. We need to find what is our ft. Okay, we know that we here have ft plus 1 equal to t plus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, we only want ft. So how to find ft? We need to remove 1 here. To remove positive 1, what we need to do is minus with 1. Therefore, whatever t that appears in the equation on the right side here, we need to replace it by t minus 1. So what you will have here is equal to t minus 1 plus 1 to the power of 2. So you have your ft is equal to t to the power of 2. Okay. So in step number 3, when you already know what is your ft, so you need to find what is fs, where fs is equal to the Laplace transformation of ft. Okay, therefore to find fs, you need to do a Laplace transformation for t to the power of 2. So to find the Laplace transformation for t to the power of 2, we'll use the formula of n factorial over s n plus 1, where our n now is equal to 2. Here is our n. Okay, therefore what we will have as fs is equal to 2 factorial over s to the power of 3. Okay, therefore you have your fs equal to 2 over s to the power of 3. So now we already know what is our a. Our a is equal to 1, and our fs is equal to 2 over s to the power of 3. Therefore we have the Laplace transformation of the function u t plus 1 square is equal to exponent 1s dot with 2 over s to the power of 3. Therefore you will have exponent s over s to the power of 3. Okay, so let's see one more example here. We want to find what the Laplace transformation for unit step function t minus 1 times with t minus 5. And always I remind you, whatever come with here, you have ut minus 1 is actually the function of t minus 1. Okay, so the first step is to find what is the value of a. Okay, so from here you can see what is the value of a. Your a is equal to negative 1. Okay, so you have a is equal to negative 1. So for step number 2, you need to find what is your ft. Okay, what you have here is ft minus 1. So you have ft minus 1 is equal to t minus 5. Okay, so if you want ft, you need to do something for ft minus 1 where you need to remove negative 1. So how to remove negative 1? You need to plus with 1, because negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, whatever t appears in the equation on the right side here, you need to replace it with t plus 1. So what you will have here is equal to t plus 1 minus 5. Therefore, your ft is equal to t minus 4. Okay. So in step number 3, when you already have your ft, you can find your fs, where your fs is the Laplace transformation of ft. Okay, therefore to find your fs, you need to do a Laplace transformation for t minus 4. Okay, so by using the property of linearity, we know that this can be found by find the value of Laplace transformation for t minus with Laplace transformation for 4. And for Laplace transformation for t, you use the formula n factorial over s n plus 1. So here n is equal to 1, therefore you will have here is equal to 1 factorial over s to the power of 2 minus b. For this one, we just make the formula a over s, so we have 4 over s. Okay, so our fs is equal to 1 over s squared minus b 4 over s. So now we can move to the last step where we know that our a is equal to negative 1. Our fs equal to 1 over s squared minus 4 over s. Therefore, the Laplace transformation of u t minus 1 times with t minus 5 equal to exponent negative s times with 1 over s squared minus 4 over s. Okay, so what you will have here is exponent negative s 1 over s squared minus 4 over s. Another solution for the Laplace transformation of unit step function t minus 2 times with exponent negative t. Okay, so here you can use the second shift theorem when you think both with the unit step function here, but again you need to remember that whatever comes with ut minus 2 is the ft minus 2. Okay, so for step number 1, you need to find what is the value of a. So from here you know that your value of a is equal to negative 2. Okay, therefore you will have your a is equal to negative 2. Okay, so step number 2, you need to find what is your ft, but from the equation here you have ft minus 2. So your ft minus 2 is equal to exponent negative t. So how can you find ft? You need to remove negative 2. So to remove negative 2, you need to plus with 2. Therefore, whatever t appears in the right side here, you need to replace it with t plus 2. So what you have as your ft is equal to exponent negative t plus 2. Or you have exponent negative t minus 2. Okay guys, so now what you have here is the step number 3 is to find what is fs, where fs is actually the Laplace transformation of your ft. Okay, therefore you will find the Laplace transformation of exponent negative t minus 2. So you will have to find the Laplace transformation of exponent minus t divided by exponent 2, where exponent 2 is actually the constant, therefore you can take it out. So you have 1 over exponent 2 Laplace exponent minus t. Okay, so by using the formula to find Laplace for exponent, where the formula is 1 over s minus a, and here you know that your a is equal to negative 1, here is your a. Therefore, here you have 1 over exponent 2 times with 1 over s minus 1. Okay, therefore you have your fs equal to 1 over x exponent to 1 over s plus 1. So this one is your fs. Okay, so now we move to step number 4, where we need to find the Laplace transformation of ut minus 2 exponent negative t. Okay, where the formula is exponent as fs, where you know that your a is negative 2, therefore you have exponent negative 2 as your fs is 1 over exponent 2 times with 1 over s plus 1. Okay, therefore what you will have here is exponent negative 2s divided by exponent 2 times with 1 over s plus 1. So here what you will have here, if you bring exponent 2 up to the numerator, you will have exponent negative 2s minus 2 over s plus 1. So this is the solution of your Laplace transformation by using second shift theorem.